Students, in our previous classes, we have seen how British rule affected Rajas and Nawabs, peasants and tribals. Today, in our lesson, we will see how British rule affected the lives of students too. After economically exploiting our country, the British government finally realized that they had a cultural mission in India. The British government always considered themselves as highly civilized people, whereas they treated us Indians as barbarians or uncivilized people. Thus, they wanted to change our customs and values. Now, let us see how the British saw education in India. Our first point is Orientalism. It means someone from a Western country who studies the languages and cultures of Eastern Asia. In 1783, a person named William Jones arrived in Calcutta. He had an appointment as a junior judge at the Supreme Court that the company had set up. In addition to being an expert in law, Jones was a linguist. Linguist means a person who knows and studies several languages. With the intention of learning Sanskrit, he spent many hours a day with Pandits. Soon he studied ancient Indian texts on law, philosophy, religion, politics, morality, arithmetic, medicine, and the other sciences too. Soon he realized that he was not alone. There were other British officials like Henry Thomas Colebrook and Nathaniel Halhed were also interested in ancient Indian heritage. After studying the ancient Indian texts on various subjects, they concluded that translating these texts will not only help the Britishers to know about the Indian culture, but will also help the Indians to rediscover their own heritage and understand the lost glories of their past. With this object in view, a madrasa was set up in Calcutta in 1781 to promote the study of Arabic, Persian and Islamic law. And the Hindu college was established in Benares in 1791 to encourage the study of ancient Sanskrit texts that would be useful for the administration of the country. In short, we can conclude that the Orientalists were all set to preserve and promote the ancient Indian culture and heritage. But what was their main aim behind it? Yes, they wanted to become like the guardians of Indian culture as well as its masters. If they do so, they would be able to win the hearts of the natives, means locals or Indians. This in turn would help them to rule this country peacefully. That's all for today. Goodbye.